Hey, what's going on? This is Nick LS, and today I'm going to be reviewing and going over the performance of the Ninja 400 on the highway. I just want to start out by saying this is an absolutely amazing bike on the highway. As you can see here, it easily gets up to speed and has extremely smooth acceleration. Now I'm about to merge here, and mind you, the speed limit on this road is 70, which again, no problem getting up to there, and I feel extremely confident merging on. This is about the 5th or 6th time that I've rode on the freeway, and every time I get on, I feel more and more comfortable. One strategy that I used was I just got on when there was no traffic at all, later in the day, and then I would ride to the next exit and get off. If you're a newer rider, that boosts your confidence so much. Riding here in the left lane feels comfortable. It feels natural. I'm going again that 70 to 80 miles an hour, quite smooth. It's a very enjoyable ride. This bike has the power to pass cars, as you can see here. The bike is really light at 370 pounds, so it does get pushed around a little bit with the wind. You just got to be careful going past semis. Even going at this speed, there's not much rattling in the handlebars. I could probably ride on the highway for about an hour straight, no problem. This bike does not lack the power that you need at these speeds. Even reaching that 80-ish miles an hour, it still felt like there's plenty of more power. I believe that this bike tops out about 120 to 130 depending on what type of mods you have, how heavy you are, your tuck, all that kind of stuff, but definitely I don't think I'll be maxing out the potential of this bike, especially being a newer rider. I'm trying to be more safe. The Ninja 400 is absolutely a fun bike to ride, and it sounds great. I do have on an aftermarket slip-on exhaust, which is a Leo Vince. I highly recommend doing an aftermarket exhaust. It's going to help you so much, especially if you're a newer rider, because you're going to learn how to shift better because you can hear when to shift. And it also makes you safer on the road because people can hear you. Remember, loud pipes save lives. And I did do a review on the Leo Vince, so make sure you check that out too. Yeah, it's just cruising at these speeds. Super comfortable, super smooth, no shaking. Like I said, it feels like I can just give it a lot more power than I am right now. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get off the freeway right up here. And then I'm going to loop back around and get on, so that way you can see more of the acceleration, deceleration of the bike. And one thing I really enjoy is rev matching. I also made a how-to video on how to rev match. Check that out if you haven't. And this bike has phenomenal brakes. I have no worries at all coming to a stop. A lot of the times I'll just rev match down all the way. That way it saves your brakes. And I love going through these roundabouts. There's another one just straight ahead, and then we'll get back on and we'll show you more of the acceleration. Again, no problem at all getting up to speed. The 0 to 60 time, official Kawasaki numbers is 4.1 seconds. So that's pretty quick. It is very quick. So generally speaking, you're going to be faster than the majority of vehicles out there. So again, merging on, no big deal. Just making sure you're always looking behind you. You're using your blinker, and you're not putting yourself in any dangerous situations. This 400, it just cruises. Oh, I'm loving this. It feels like I'm floating. So the majority of the time that I was riding, I was in 6th gear, and like I said, it still felt like there was plenty more power to put down. So to wrap things up, the Ninja 400 has absolutely no problem at all on the highway. The only thing is, it's a little bit lighter of a bike, so you're going to feel the wind gusts. However, it does have plenty of power to put down, and you will have a phenomenal time riding. I thoroughly enjoyed this ride, and I will continue to ride on the highway on my 400. Enjoy the rest of the ride. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already for more Ninja videos. Thank you. Peace.